So, my old monitor broke, so I bought a new one. There's a bunch of numbers, I'll show it on the screen. And this is really the reason why there hasn't been a new ETO in a while. Oh gosh, this is such a big monitor. I forgot how big this was. Okay, I'll need that. Dang, this is a nice stand, bro. I really spent way too much money. Woo. Oh my gosh, look how big this is. Oh my gosh, look how big that is, man. Holy crap. Are you kidding me? Look at this, man. Holy crap, man. My gosh, it's a big monitor. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Holy crap, look how big this is. Are you kidding me, man? This is huge. Oh my gosh. Spoon for scale here. Spoon for scale. This is a 34-inch widescreen curved monitor. This is crazy. This is my brother, if you don't know him already. He's the one that told me to get this because it was on sale. Let me just raise the desk.
I have never seen him raise the desk, by the way.
Freak off, dude. I like the option, man.
Alright. That's what we're gonna do, brother.
Hey, quick.
It's all plugged in?
Yep. Oh my gosh.
How nice is that display, bro? Holy, the curve is so nice. Oh, it's gonna take forever with Wi-Fi.
It was faster?
Yeah.
What? Really? I got the wrong password the whole time?
I only tell a few people.
I should be one of those people, man.
But did you notice the difference?
Well, now I do. Oh my gosh. Higher! More! More! Bro, the freaking camera can't even do that.
Bro, that's so smooth.
It's much faster. Oh, this guy's actually carrying me.
Bro, what is that crosshair?
I saw it on TikTok, bro.
The bigger the crosshair, the bigger the target is.
And I feel like I'm in like a gaming theater, you know?
Yeah.
Like I feel like I'm like in the game. Like all my peripheral is like here. My peripheral just ends here. Help, 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 help! I'm grounded!
Bro, you know you just carried the team, right?
Yeah?
The heels?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir!
Bro, it's the monitor buff. You actually
Monitor buff, monitor buff.
You played really great. Bro, you're a gamer.
Thanks, man. I'm officially a gamer.
Yeah, you're actually a gamer now.
Well, that has been the monitor review. It's a great monitor. That's my review.